Hi guys, it's your girl Katrina Denise, and this is another episode of Katrina's Book Bag. I'm coming to you with another Kindle book, but it is also available for purchase. You can order a copy on Amazon of the paperback copy of the book entitled The Girl with a Heart of Gold. This book is by Aisha Mitchell. And it is an awesome story about a child who struggles with asthma. The main character, Michelle, is really a severe asthmatic. And so she finds that at times she can't keep up with the other kids, or she feels that she has to take out her inhaler quite frequently. And so instead of having to deal with those things, she just doesn't feel like she fits in. So when it's time for recess, or the kids are going to parties or doing anything else, she is very reluctant to do them, and oftentimes just shies away or sits in the corner. She'll read a book, or she'll just do anything that doesn't require any movement. Eventually, she goes to the doctor, again, feeling like she doesn't fit in, that no one else, feeling as if no one else has these problems except her. Yes, kids even feel that too, moms and dads. And so at the doctor, she sees two friends. Surprisingly, she finds out that they too have asthma. One young man, Bryce, invites her to his soccer game. Wait a minute, how is Bryce able to play soccer, but he has asthma? That is the burning question that Michelle has. And so after the game, she questions him, how are you able to play so successfully, but you too have a condition like me? He simply says to her something very kid-like, but very, very mature. He says to her, I take a puff or use my inhaler before the game, and if I have to take it during the game, I take it as well. But more importantly, he says to her, I have said to myself, I will not allow this to control me. I will control it. What an awesome message for kids to learn at a young age. I would definitely say that this book is recommended for a younger child from ages 6 to maybe even 10. It teaches a powerful lesson that we can take the limits off. You know, kids feel like they are boxed in at times, that they don't fit in, whether they have braces but no one else does, glasses but other people aren't wearing them, dyslexia, or as this is a month of April, even autism. So I encourage parents, teachers, any adults that are watching, that you set the role. You be the role models by taking the limits off. Encourage your children to see themselves beyond any obstacles, whether they be struggles in class, content areas that they struggle with. Help them to see that life is limitless. Sure, there are things that we can't do, but the thing that blocks us most of the time is simply ourselves. And so I encourage you to teach them this powerful lesson. And if you're struggling with it, get a copy of this book. Again, it's The Girl with a Heart of Gold by Aisha Mitchell. Every kid has a heart of gold. They're searching for something that they want to do. And I encourage each and every one of you to impart those words of wisdom to a child. Adopt the words of the nationautism.org, where they put up a quote that simply says, remove the labels, the letters L-A-B-E-L. If you put them in reverse, they simply say, you're able. Remove the labels. Happy reading, guys. I hope that you pick up a copy of this book and enjoy it and share it with a child. Please subscribe down below and continue to follow me as I share awesome multicultural books and books written by African American authors. May you and yours have an enjoyable time reading.